what you are.
What is happening here?
Everything is all right, Daddy. We're just playing.
What are you playing?
Master class.
Master class of showing the tongue? It is very bad to cheat your father and to mock him too.
Sorry, Daddy. We have been fighting a little. We are just bored. It's all so boring. New Year is coming, but we don't have a holiday spirit yet.
But we could change it. I think a real masterclass of creating Christmas decorations will make your boredom away, and your mood will become very, very festive.
Yeah! Is it a Christmas masterclass? Daddy, are you really going to the Santa's workshop?
Only if you will not argue.
We will not, right, Chi?
Then let's go.
Hooray! We will make Christmas decorations.
To get to the workshop, you need to be clever.
To get to the workshop, you need to open the lock. Rotate the gears of the lock. Make the right picture. Well done! It is so beautiful here. We could create a lot of beautiful things. Choose the decoration which you would like to create. Let's create a holiday pine cone. You need to paint the pine cone in white, gold, or silver, and also to stick a ribbon. Tap on the glue. Tap on the ribbon which you want to stick to the decoration. Tap on the brush. Put the brush into the paint. Move the brush to the pinecone scales. Hold for a second. Move the brush over the scales which you would like to paint. What an unusual cone we have created! Do you want to save it? Tap on the basket. Here. We could create a lot of beautiful things. Choose the decoration. Let's create a holiday animal. Tap on the unicorn. Choose an animal that you would like to make festive. Choose a hat. Move it to the animal's head. Choose a scarf. Move it to the animal's neck. Ribbon! Don't forget the ribbon! Tap on the needle to sew the ribbon. Choose socks. Move them to the animal paws. How cute! Do you want to save it? Tap on the back. It is so beautiful here. We could create a lot. Let's create a holiday mini house. Firstly, choose a wall. Choose a door. Choose the windows. Choose a chimney. Choose the roof which you would like to have. Choose the glue. Choose a ribbon. Wonderful! The holiday mini house is ready. Dad, will the new year be coming soon?
Let's look at the clock. Whoops! New Year has almost come. We have 1 minute more.
Oh, I have time to make a wish.
We have time to make a wish.
Enough decorations in the basket. We could decorate a Christmas tree. Tap on the paper. Tap on the crayon from tap on the Christmas tree. Choose a shape and move it to the middle of the paper. Tap on the frame. Move the frame which you like the most. Choose a decoration and move it to our Christmas tree toy. Ready! Do you want to save it? Tap on the back. Here. Let's bake ginger cookies. We are fond of them. Choose the shape and cut cookies from the dough. Bring a magic stick and move it over the cookies to bake them. Decorate the cookies with glaze. Ribbon! Don't forget the ribbon! Do you want to save it? Tap on the basket. If not, tap on the bin. It is so beautiful here. We could Let's create holiday socks for every member of the family. Choose a shape and move it to the table. Paint the socks in any color you want. Tap on the crayons from the palette. Tap on the ribbon which you want to sew to the decoration. Tap on the needle to sew the ribbon. Let's make our sock more festive. Do you want to save it? Tap on the basket. If not, tap on the bin.